Hey dolls! Welcome to my hair tutorial for being a pin-up babe. We're going to get straight into it with some heat protector and a paddle brush. You're going to push your hair back because we need to find our natural part. So now push your hair forward and see, there we go. Just like that, it came through. So grab those clips and you're going to draw a line from your part to your ear. Clip the rest back, do the same on the other side, and voila, just like that. You've got your two front sections. I use these little clips, but you can use just bobby pins as well. And I'm just going to use some smooth setter on my ends just because they're a bit sad at the moment. So, see those 4 lines I just did? Those are going to be my new sections. So, twist that bit back and grab your tong. So I use the NuMe tong. I really like it. And I think it holds curls really, really well. So that's always my preference. My go-to is the NuMe tong. So I'm going to tell you how to curl your hair now that you've seen a demonstration. So you want to put your tongs horizontal and make sure that your hair is flat on the tong rather than twisted. It just means all your individual hairs have contact with the heat and it will make it last longer really. And you're going to pin curl up like so. So if you watch again, you're going to have the horizontal, and with your hair holding, your hand holding the tong, you're going to push that up towards the sky, and then your hand that is holding your hair, you're going to pull that down. And that's going to create that tension and just create long-lasting badass curls. So you can watch me do it here. Push up, pull down, and pin curl. Just like that. Now, I'm not going to show you how to do the other side because it's the same situation. So look confused, do a twirl, and bam! Other side done like that. Just magic, really. Now, whoa, she's switching to the cloud 9. What's happening? Well, I'm doing this other section I'm going to tell you. My hair is super short at the back, and I hate getting spiky bits, really. So I'm going to curl them under with this tong. So normally with vintage hairstyling, the main thing is consistency. You want to use the same tong for your entire head, but yeah, for me, when I'm doing it on my own, I just think these little spiky ones deserve the cloud 9. So whether you need to do that or not, you can, you can't. If I was normally doing it on a client, I would just use the same thing the entire time, but I can't see back in my head what I'm doing right now. That's what you guys are there for. So just pin it up, and we are going to do 2 rows with the cloud 9. And then I'm going to switch back to my NuMe. Cool. So just like with the front, just push and pull, have that tension, pin curl, and you're away laughing. Now there's many different sets that you can do, and this is just one that I like to do. It's pretty easy, I feel, and it's definitely a good beginner one as well. I just always have good results with it. So this is one that I do with heat. People like to do wet sets, but your girl's just lazy. She wants it done quick, so she does heat. And we are down to the final curl and pinning it away. She's exhausted. Look at her. She's had a full workout. So I think she deserves a drink for maybe like an hour. Off we go. And she's back just like that. Time passes by. We are going to take out our curls, and this is the fun bit. They are super bouncy. Love it. And just release all the curls and get maybe some 80s drama going on. What do we reckon? Whew, so much fun. Now, the scary part. It's not actually scary. Everyone thinks that brushing your curls is horrible. Everyone says to me, why do you brush your curls out? Ugh. But because of all the preparation we did with the tension, with the hot tools, and with the pin curling, it's actually going to retain the curl. And just look at it, it's super fluffy. I'm into it. That's a look on its own. But yeah, you don't have to worry about brushing out your curls because they'll stay. there we have some volumizing dust. So this stuff feels horrific, but it is sent from the gods to make your hair super high and to make sure that you look like the Grinch. Yeah, just like that. Perfect. Now, yeah, it's not glamorous, it doesn't feel very good, but one thing I always say to my clients is you have to slay the dragon before you get to the princess, and I think this is the dragon phase. But yeah, one thing that is going to help with this is see how every time I add a section, I am also teasing it in with the other sections. That means it will stay for a longer time. Whew, that got high really quick. Now, don't forget to do the back. I have lots of hair, quite a lot of hair, and there's already a lot of volume going on. But if you're not like me, make sure you don't forget about the back, because we don't want your hair going flat at the back with these super high waves at the front. Yeah, and just push down. So don't push up and down, because that will kind of mat it, which is not really what we want. But that's what we want. She looks scary as. Yeah, we'll tame that now. So we're going to brush out those curls again. Yep, so we have to do, you know, pretty to ugly, to pretty to ugly, to pretty to ugly, and do the dragon to the princess, and you'll eventually get there. But yeah, the key is to keep brushing. Keep brushing. And those curls will form back, but they'll form together. But yeah, don't be afraid to get in there really rough with a brush. Now the back, I haven't done much apart from literally what you're seeing now. It's just a wee brush, but the waves are already forming. And that's from the consistency with the tong. Yeah, they just form all together. They love it. They're having a great time. Curl party up in her. Now we're gonna add some shine spray because your girl likes to be shiny. And that's pretty much it. Just keep curling, keep shining, and keep brushing. And that's my look. So if you like this tutorial, let me know. And if you do it, please send me a picture so I can praise you. I hope you enjoyed it.